What's up, guys? This is my 1993 Acura Integra LS Special Edition. This is a project for someone looking. It runs well, it drives well. Yeah, it's just needs a little work, obviously. Seat, it's roached, but I mean, it's Integra leather. 30 some years ago, 222K miles. Manual. It's the best part about it. You've got the factory CD player. Pretty cool. Anyway, let me show you the rest of the car. Spoiler's missing. The price is going to reflect this, guys. The price is going to be $2,750. Okay, so where are you going to find this car for $2,750? Clean title, stock Integra. Seriously. The body is fairly straight. Special original plates. $2,750. What can you get that's better? Especially a Honda, something that runs and drives well, especially an Integra. Like, sunroof actually does work too. I'll pop the trunk. Actually clean back here. Not bad. Spare tire. Look at the jack. Even that's nice. But yeah, if you're interested, Spencer's Honda's on Instagram. It's the best way to get a hold of me. Paint, obviously bad, but what can you expect? I gotta show you the motor. Forgot about that.